Welcome to the next mission report. Today, we're going to talk about something that over 409 million people are searching on Google now, which is how to make a video to market my listing. So let's get today's mission started. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey. You're on the Mission Report, designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways that you can grow your business as a realtor using online marketing strategy. Right now, because of COVID-19, right now is the best time to learn something new. And if you can learn on how to basically take a video and make a video for your listing and potentially have someone film you in your listing, that could be huge. One, so you can gain some knowledge. Two, potentially so you can start getting into video marketing. Three, get yourself on video. And four, save yourself some money until you have the budget to go ahead and hire someone else to go ahead and film you. Not to mention, what we're going to show you right now is going to be a different way and a different approach to film your listing. So let's go ahead and get into it, and let's go ahead and give you an example of an actual live listing that is on the market currently right now. So if you watched the last mission report, we talked about the best way to do a live open house event. We're going to tie that into this mission report, and we're going to tie in 1805 Panda Way. That's actually this property that just hit the market, and we're going to show you exactly the video on the mission report today at the end, how we approached filming this listing with the listing agent. It's pretty awesome. We think that you're going to find it very valuable. So let's go ahead and get into the equipment first and foremost that you're going to need to execute this process. So the first thing that you're going to need as far as equipment base is going to be an Osmo Pocket. So this is going to be an Osmo Pocket. They range anywhere from $369 up to $279. This is the Osmo Pocket that we use to film this actual listing and go through the whole process. And this Osmo Pocket actually films up to 4K, has a good microphone, and it's pretty affordable at the lowest of $279, and it fits in your pocket. Now, let's look at what the next thing that we need. We're also going to go ahead and need a microphone. This microphone is the exact microphone that we use to record the audio that you will hear at the beginning of the video and showcasing the various different pictures through the slideshow. Now, after you get the footage, you have good audio, and maybe you use Google to get images. Now let's talk about what would you need next to bring all this together. And what you're going to go ahead and need is you're going to go ahead and need an editing software. The editing software we highly recommend is this here. This is going to be Filmora 9, and you can go ahead and download this for your PC and or Mac. It's $150 for the whole entire year. It's something that we use for this listing video we're about to show you here in a second. And that's basically all you need to put together this amazing listing video. Pay attention when you watch the video, pay attention to the audio. Also pay attention to the approach and pay attention to every single clip, because when you see the transition, that's one clip, the next clip, the next clip. And also pay attention when I'm actually filming, I'm behind the camera and I personally edited this video. When I'm filming the listing agent, I'm going left, right, panning down, panning up, or panning down to the side, and you really want to get your shots right as far as panning and the lighting. So the best time to film is either early morning or in the evening. So we're going to go ahead and now show you the video. This is going to conclude the mission report for today. If you've done your own video, please comment below. We'd love to see the listing video that you did. We would love to also get your feedback and what we're doing right now to bring this together full circle on step by step of what you could do to put together the exact video that you're about to see. We're putting together a slideshow through Google Slides to show you A through Z how the process is done. Everything from how to get this software and get the hardware and get the camera that you're going to need, and exactly the next steps. So enjoy. We're going to go ahead and get this edited and bring in this actual live example. We appreciate your continued support. Please like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below with a link to a video that you did, or give us some of your feedback and send us a direct message so we can talk about next steps to get you a copy of this slide deck so you can learn exactly what you need to do to film your next video walkthrough tour. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Michelle Lewis with Keller Williams, and I want to welcome you to 1805 Panda Way. It's not just about the property, it's about the location, location, location.
The
really special features about this home is not only the location where it's nestled up in the Hayward Hills, where there's an absolute ton of wildlife, but it's so centrally located between all of the major freeways, 580, 880, and 92. It's also located 19 miles from San Jose and 20 miles from San Francisco, 1.7 miles from Cal State East Bay. It's just a simple bike ride or car ride or even a bus ride. Bard is also just 1.2 miles away, so if you don't feel like commuting, downtown is just about a simple mile walk and dine and enjoy all of the beautiful shops. Now let's go check out inside. Now let's head upstairs. First, I want to show you one of the second bedrooms in this property. One of the wonderful features about this house is not only the fantastic view that you have, waking up in the morning maybe with a cup of coffee, but it is nothing short of space. We've got a huge walk-in closet. So this room has its own beautiful ceiling fan, works with a remote. We've got a Jack and Jill bathroom. Follow me. It's got a beautiful floating vanity, tiled floor. One really great things about this house, the shower and the tub are separate, which can allow you to actually make bathrooms out of one. So this is our bath. Fantastic bath. And then we have a shower on the other end. It'll take a very simple sheetrocking wall to make this 2 bathrooms. Now follow me into the next bedroom. One of the wonderful things about this room has an absolute ton of space. See, there are 2 office desks right here with tons of storage. We also have a braided ceiling fan that is also remote operated. And again, more storage. Now we're going to go back downstairs. Now these homeowners have thought of absolutely everything. They just redid this fireplace in 2019 with gorgeous stone tile. We've got a beautiful marble hearth, and they've mounted their television and had all the electrical mounted into the fireplace. Now, who says you have to spare family space when you live in a townhome? This dining area seats 6 people comfortably. One of my absolute favorite things about this property is the outside dining area. This comes with home. We've got an outside dining bar where you can overlook all of the deer, wildlife, squirrels, and wild turkey that hang out. Now I'm going to take you into the heart of the home. Now we've upgraded the kitchen in about 2019 with gorgeous quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, along with a gas range stove. They painted and changed out the hardware, but we also have a really gorgeous marble backsplash. They also installed really great USB receptacles. And last but certainly not least, they installed underlighting for the kitchen that is remote control based. You can also change the coloring to give it that nightlife look. Loving it. You can also change it to red. You'll notice that this home has a gorgeous living space central to the hub and heart of the house. Just hardwood floors. Again, tons and tons of views of the outdoors with just a really great serene feel. And we have the main floor bathroom with gorgeous matching quartz countertop. Nice, light and bright. And again, really great stainless steel pools and beautiful view of the outdoors. So I've got a bonus for you. Downstairs, come take a look. In addition to the location, one of the biggest bonuses of this home is the large downstairs area, which features an in-home office as well as a gym. And here's the gym. Also features a washer and dryer and a ton of storage. And as you can see, they still have space for 2 moderate-sized vehicles. Now with the homeowner 6 feet apart, I'd love to ask him how shelter-in-place and this whole COVID-19 have been living in this particular home.
Well, thank you so much for owning this home, and it's been awesome. Literally, the fact that we have an office here, and you saw in the master bedroom, we also had some workspaces as well if you had kids, and also having a gym has been great. And we've been able to, my wife and I have been able to work out. I've been able to run my business as I run a tech company and still have our car safe and sound in the garage, and it's been a blessing. Outside's gorgeous. My wife's been feeding the deer outside actually, and we have squirrels, and our cats go outside to use the restrooms and come back in. It's been amazing. I think that you would really love this home.
Yeah, and I can see why.
Yeah.
For more information about this beautiful property, go ahead and give me a call. My number is 925-785-4358. If you want to reach me via email, you can email me at shelleylewis@kw.com. That's SHELLY Lewis, LEWIS @kw.com. But it's so centrally located between all of the major freeways, 580, 880, and 92. It's also